Hey everyone, welcome to TechWide. In this video, we are going to solve problem number 704, binary search. First, we will see the explanation of the problem statement, then the logic and the code. Now let's dive into the solution. So here I've taken the first example from the Leetcode website. So we are given an input array that is sorted and we need to find the target element in the input array, right? Also, we need to write an algorithm of log and time complexity, right? Since we know the input array is sorted, we can apply binary search, right? So when we find the target element in the input array, we need to return the index of that particular element, right? Else, if the target is not found in the input array, we need to return -1, right? Now we will see how we are going to do this. So initially we will be having left and right pointers, where the left pointer will point it to 0, that is the start index of the input array, and the right pointer will point it to the end of the input array. So in this case it is 5, right? So the right pointer is pointing to the index 5, and we need to find the middle element. To compute the middle element, we need to add left and right pointer, and we will divide by 2, right? So first we will find the middle element. So left pointer is 0, then the right pointer is pointing to 5, and if we divide this, we are going to get 2.5, where we will round this number, right? We are going to get 2. So my middle element pointed to the index 2. Now I will check whether the middle element is equal to my target or not. So here it is not equal, right? Then else I will check whether the middle element 3 is greater than my target, that is 9. No, it's not greater. Since my middle element is not greater than my target, I know I need to search in the right side of the input array. I can discard all the elements in the left part since the array is sorted, right? Which also means all the elements in the left part of the input array is going to be lesser than the target element. Now I will move my left pointer to the right part of the input array by initializing the left pointer as mid plus 1, right? So in this case, my left pointer is going to be 3 now, right? Now again I need to find my middle element. So in this case, my left pointer is pointing to index 3 and the right pointer is pointing to 5. If I add 3 and 5, I'm going to get 8 here. And if I divide this by 2, I'm going to get 4. So my middle element point to the 4th index. Now I will check whether my middle element is equal to my target. Yes, it's equal, right? So I will return 4 in this case. So 4 will be my answer in this particular input. So what if the target is 10? Since target 10 is not in the input array, I will just keep on running the loop until my left pointer is less than or equal to my right pointer, right? When this condition fails, I will return -1, right? So when the target is not found in the input array, I will return -1. So the time complexity will be log n in this case. So what if middle element is greater than my target element? So in this case, I will move my right pointer to the left part of my input array, where I will initialize my right pointer as mid -1, right? That's all the logic is. Now we will see the code. So before we code, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please like and subscribe. This will motivate me to upload more videos in future, and also check out my previous videos and keep supporting guys. So initially my left pointer will point to the index 0 and right pointer will point to the last index of my input array, right? Then I will run a while loop. I will run this while loop until my left pointer is less than or equal to my right pointer, right? So now I will initialize my mid pointer. I will add left and right pointer and I will divide by 2. Here I'm using floor operator to get the integer value. Then if my middle element is equal to my current target element, then I will just return the middle index, right? Else I will check if the middle element is less than the target or not. If it is valid, then I will move my left pointer to the right part of the input array. Else, if the target is less than the middle element, then I will move my right pointer to the left part of the input array, right? Then if we don't find the target element in the input array, we will return -1. That's all the code is. Now we will run the code. As you guys see, it's pretty much efficient. As I said previously, the time complexity is log of n, and space will be constant space since we don't use any extra space here. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. This will motivate me to upload more videos in future. And also check out my previous videos. Keep supporting. Happy learning. Cheers guys.